Hi everybody, this is one of my first rides back after being off the bike for quite a while. I'm spending the summer in California's gold country, near Nevada City. This ride goes from Scotts Flat Road down to Scotts Flat Lake and then back up on Casi Road. The last part is the dirt part of the ride. Okay, let's speed things up and zoom down the road. I used a GoPro mounted to my helmet for this video. You can find a link in the description below to the things I use. Click on those links and I'll make a few pennies if you buy something. Thanks for your support. If you like this video and want to see more, click the thumbs up and follow thingies below and you'll get notified as I post more videos. That's right, that sign says baby bears. There's bears in them there woods. Mama bear's not far behind. Yo, I'm getting out of here. Here I'm coming up on Scotts Flat Lake. It really is pretty. The water's down a little bit from where it normally has been. You can see, it's a really nice area. If you want to, you can come swimming here. Not me. That's snow melt that's in there, and even though it's going down because the snow melt has slowed down, I'm not going swimming in there anytime soon. I'll take the warm Caribbean instead. The paved road's about to end. So I'll zoom to the part where it starts to get dirty. Now for the dirt part of Casi Road. It's not bad, but there's one spot that gets nasty. As I approach the nasty area, I really slow down. No, this is not slow motion. This is me just riding slow and careful. This is the nasty spot. The last time through here I went around it, but this time I'm going to try and go through it. Or am I? Certainly wouldn't go through here with a car. But this is a motorcycle, so I think I can make it right on through there. Whoa, wait a minute. No, I'm not. I'm going around. In my younger days, I might have tried that, but no point in getting out here in the boonies by myself and ended up needing somebody to come get me and nobody knowing where I am. There we go. That's the worst of it. For the next few minutes, it was up on the pegs and riding like I used to. I shortened the video some, but this was really a fun part of the ride. Work. Hard to believe people have houses out here, but they do. House right there. Another house. From here back to Highway 20, Casi Road gets better and better, so I'll zoom it most of the way. At this point, Casi Road is a well-improved gravel road. I even passed a mountain biker along the way. Almost back to civilization. Back to Highway 20.